everybody from the Disney Wish. It's Disembarkation Day. Boo! Look, that is the new Royal Caribbean ship right there. How cool is that? Nice. Been an amazing room, and I would say, great, look, as you can see we're packing up, so it is currently 7:15. Yeah, for the two of us, definitely a great room. This, as I said before, comes out to a sofa, so you could put 3 or 4, maybe 2 little ones in here. You definitely wouldn't want 4, 2 adults and 2 teenagers. If you have done that, let us know, but I feel personally that it'd be quite a squeeze, because like I've got my suitcase here on the floor, and then I haven't got much room between here, and just imagine if this bed was out as well. There is no pull down bed from the ceiling. Let me just come over here. There's no pull down bed from the ceiling. It is just that sofa and the bed. But for us two, for like 5 days, 4 nights, it's been perfect. I've had my setup over there where I've been doing all my vlogging, and we brought around water. But even the wardrobe situation, I think if there was more than 2 of you in this room, 3, 4, it'd be a tight squeeze. But you're on vacation, so you make it work, don't you? But I've enjoyed all the towel animals, and all the artwork. It's just so lovely being on a Disney cruise. Like we said before, this is our 9th. So if you do have any questions, you want any advice, just let us know. We've been on tons, so we can give you that. There's been a bit of wear and tear that you can see. Considering the ship's only 3 years old, I'm going to show you a little bit of wear and tear. Down here, like, we've got some pores in here. In the sheets, they're ripped. The bottom of the sheets are ripped, but you know, it didn't really bother us, so it is what it is. There's a Q&A questionnaire thing that comes out that they ask you to do. We definitely will be doing today. We'll be filling out a few things, just a few minor little things, but yeah, we're going to get packed up, and we're going to show you where we're going to go. We're going to stay on this morning and have breakfast, but we do carry off our own suitcases. You can get them to take them, but we carry our own off. We've only got one. We've got one suitcase, so we're going to take that off today, and I'm going to show you breakfast and carry on talking a little bit more about the ship, how much we paid for it, is it a great time of year to come on this cruise ship, etc.
Disney Wish guests, may I have your attention, please?
Great.
Local Customs and Border Protection have now cleared the Disney Wish, and at this time, any guests who are participating in our Express Walk-Off program and are carrying all of their own luggage off are welcome to disembark the ship via the gangway located on Deck 3 midship. For those guests not carrying their own luggage off the ship, we invite you to rest comfortably on board until the Disney Wish has been cleared for general disembarkation. Please have your Key to the World card out and ready to be swiped off the ship. Once inside the terminal building, you will be required to provide a proof of citizenship for the inspection by Customs and Border Protection. Be advised that no fresh fruits, vegetables, plant materials, meat, or animal products may be brought off of the ship. If you have any of these items, please discard them in the amnesty bins as you disembark. This is the last opportunity for any lost and found items from this voyage. Please check with guest services before disembarking the ship. Once again, guests participating in our Express Walk-Off program are welcome to disembark the ship via the gangway located on Deck 3.
Concessions. Wonderland Cinema. Deck 4 is quite cool actually. Deck 4, Deck 5, Deck 3 are all your shopping, all your eateries, and then obviously Deck 11. Bye Luna, we spent a lot of time in there. Can we help?
No, sir. It's just carpet.
come out the way you come in. Don't forget to pick up your coffee cards, because after, is it 5 coffees you get 1 free?
Yes.
Don't forget to pick up coffee cards.
Excuse me.
Sorry? You can go straight in anyway.
Are you going for
Hi, yeah.
You don't make it. You come second sitting. Thank you. Morning.
Morning.
Where's the luggage?
Great.
Take a drink, go. Thank you. Stay there. Yeah, that's right.
For an omelette this morning, I can't say that staying on and having breakfast is that enjoyable, because you have these announcements every single second. Personally, I'll just go off, but JP wanted to do breakfast today. What JP wants, JP gets, but you get these announcements every single second of the moment, so it's of the moment.
Please have your
Yeah.
card out and
Nada.
ready to be swiped off the ship.
Disembarkation can sometimes be a little bit, so we're just walking all the way up, but look, the line's moving. It's organised.
Disney Wish guests, may I have your attention, please? This announcement is to inform you that the Disney Wish is now cleared by local
Do you need the
Customs and
toilet?
Border Protection.
No, I'm
for
good,
those
thanks,
guests with luggage tag colors and characters that are purple with Minnie. You are kindly invited to disembark the ship at this
Like
time.
I said before, you can have the people, the staff, the porters? No. You can have the team take your suitcases off for you the night before,
Once inside the
or
trial building,
you can just carry them off yourself.
provide a proof of citizenship for the
Bye bye, you absolutely love staying here, playing here, games, so much fun.
vegetables, plant materials, meat, or
Put a nice top in there, it's quite nice. I quite like the fact that the jewellery and the items are well priced as well. They're like from 100, I say well priced, but $125, $100. There's a little treat.
Guests holding any other Disney character luggage tag are invited to wait comfortably on board until their luggage tag is announced before disembarking the ship. We thank you for sailing with us on board the beautiful Disney Wish, and hope you have a safe and pleasant journey home.
It's walking. You just walk off. Might title this one, Walk Off the Ship with Me. But some of the jewellery on here is thousands. Thousands! So you swipe your cards and then off you go. Welcome back to Orlando. And it is freezing. It's January. What do you expect? Exactly the same place that we boarded. Why Disney Wish? Would you want to work on a cruise ship? Would you work on a cruise ship?
You'd be good on a cruise ship, wouldn't
We would do good on a cruise ship.
Crazy.
You'd be amazing.
You're good.
It'd be so fun, wouldn't it?
I think it's better.
It would be sad saying goodbye to people though.
It'd be bloody hard work.
Yeah, they do long hours. It ain't a walk in a,
No walk in the Kpjpflorida Park, right?
Ain't no, it's long hours. And that's the one I was looking for. Ain't no cake walk. There's cake. Right, can you take both? I'll take the three, and I'll just need to get my passport out in a minute. Yeah. That's a long walk. Thank you. Morning.
Thank you.
This looks Disney themed, but it's definitely not a.
If you have all your luggage,
Yeah.
you can cut out this
Oh,
way.
thank you. Whee! It's a lot of walking. You're just walking off your omelette.
Yummy omelette. I wasn't actually that bad. It was quite.
Walk over the road. That was so simple. They have definitely got the coming out, get you off that ship, kick you out process done to a T. It's got the retina scanners for your facial recognition eyes. Didn't even have to show your passport, but you do need to have your passport. Yeah. Just. A nice big car, and then look, we're just here. And like I said, parking was about $90, $98, can't really remember, but if you look at our first video I'll show you in that one, but it's under $100 to park for 5 days. If you say 5 days, it's not really 5 days, it's more like 4 days and a morning. But yeah, it's perfect for us. And then we've just got under an hour back to Celebration, and then off to theme park. It's Epcot, first day. Arts. So we're gonna go, that'll be our next video. Oh, it might be the video before. Thanks for watching, guys. Disembarkation done.
Future KP here. How are you all? How's everybody doing? Enjoyed that video. It's really good. Sometimes it's good to have a video where you can show how, like, the embarkation and the getting off of the disembarkation, getting off a cruise ship. Like I said in that video, we have done so many cruises now, not just Disney. We've done P&O, we've done MSC, Royal Caribbean. So if you've got any questions, I'm sure loads of these questions have been answered by many vloggers, creators over on social media. But if there's anything specific you'd like us to answer, let us know and we'll do it in our next video. Pop it down below. But yes, yeah, it was hoodie weather, so quite nice, quite mild. The sunsets were spectacular. We didn't have any rain from what I can remember, so it was perfect weather. Just to wrap up and get that lovely fresh, I mean, Castaway Cay, Bahamas, you can't go wrong with that itinerary, can you? And if it's your first time cruising, just don't overthink it, don't overplan it, just go with the flow, relax and enjoy it. I think you can overplan for a Disney cruise. I think you just need to embrace that you're going to be eating a lot, you're going to be relaxing a lot, you're going to be doing bingo, you're going to be doing quizzes. The kids are going to go in the kids club. Even if the kids never been in a kids club before, there's loads of openings where you can go with your children and get them to see the setups. They are phenomenal, out of this world. Shame I just don't let the adults go in and play, really, to be fair. But the adults have got the ice cream. as much as you want to eat. Pizza, food, yeah, and just have fun. There's no gambling on these cruise ships, but there's plenty of alcohol if you want it as well at an additional cost. Otherwise, everything else is complimentary, part of your, I say complimentary, part of what you've paid. So you pay for all your food, all your soft drinks, cocktails, and alcoholic drinks are not included. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on our next video.